what's up everybody? Welcome back to Brock Go Fast. Today's an easy, simple one. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we're gonna have a lot of fun talking about cars, playing with cars, having fun, and learning a little bit. Today's a real simple one. I've got the, here we go. I got 2015 Tahoe LTZ, and today we're gonna do a quick and simple, dirty tire TPS learning sensor for this vehicle. So let's get into this. I will put the display on the link down below of what this is, so you can purchase it yourself. It's like 14 bucks and it makes life so simple. All right, first we're gonna start by turning on the vehicle, and we're gonna go through your info screen, right? Go through your info screen until you find your tire learning. You are going to then press this button. Whoa, we don't want that. We're gonna press this button and hold it until you see tire learning active. So now the car just beeped at me. Let me show you what I'm gonna do here. This is pretty cool. See the arrow? If your car doesn't have it, it will have that. You notice that side's not that it. So that means start here. We're gonna hold this button. We're gonna put it near the TPMS and hold the button. And we're gonna hold. There we go. That side is done. Let's go over to the front. Oh, as you can see, that corner light is popping. So again, hold the button. It beeps. Let's go to the back here. Let's see what she does here on the back. Notice that taillight's lit up. That one is not. So that means we want to go over here. Hold the button once more. It beeps. That brake light is lit up. That means we want to do this last one. And yes, I know the car's dirty. There you go. That is complete. Each tire pressure is at 41. We are finally good to go. My wife is going to be super happy that's finally done, and we got that out of the way, but that's how you do it. It's quick, simple, easy. You can do this on any 2015 and up Yukon. I believe this model went to 2020. So just get yourself one of these, spend the 13 bucks, and don't pay the dealership the $40 they want to relearn this thing, because it's stupid, and you can do it yourself at home within 5 minutes. So again, hit subscribe, like, comment below if you have any troubles. I'll put the link down below for this bad boy. That way you can get on the road and get going. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Brock Go Fast.